Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Nicole, and I'm going to show you how to add a carousel of assets to an existing responsive design. You have probably noticed that there are panels on the left and the right side of the editor. On the right, you will handle workflow. So for example, I'll upload assets from my carousel here. On the left, you will handle design, and in this case, creating a carousel. So to add a carousel widget to the canvas, you're going to click the rocket icon on the left to open the widgets panel. Within the widgets panel, click on carousel to add a carousel widget to the canvas, which you can easily resize and reposition just like any other element. Now you can add images to the carousel, and you can do this by clicking the add to widget icon to the right of each asset. So for example, I will add 3 images to my carousel and click them in the order that I want them to show up. In the left panel, there are a few changes you can make to the carousel. You can drag and drop your slides to reorder them, then you can set your slides to loop, and enable swipe interaction for touchscreens, both of which are on by default. The transition delay between slides is set to 5 seconds by default, but you can change that as well. Here I'll change it to 2 seconds for this design. You can quickly preview your work on the carousel within the editor by clicking out of the carousel widget. Click View All Sizes at the top of the Sizes panel to preview your carousel across all sizes. Once you're happy with the layout of your design across all sizes, save and preview it. Once your design is completed or approved, you can export it for your website, ad server, digital signage, or social. If you want to watch more tutorials, visit our Flexitive YouTube page. If you have any questions, visit our support portal or use the contact support button at the top of the editor. Add a carousel widget to your design now. Thanks for watching. You can visit the Flexitive knowledge base at support.flexitive.com. or sign up now at flexitive.com.